Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get a custom crosshair on PS5 on Fortnite. So, typically and unfortunately Fortnite on PS5 does not support custom crosshairs natively. Epic Games only allows the built-in reticle options, but there are no official settings to upload or design your own. What you can do instead, you can adjust the HUD scale. In settings, game UI, HDU scale, you can make a rectangle bigger or smaller by adjusting the HUD size. Also, you can change to colorblind mode. In settings, accessibility, then colorblind options, you can tweak visuals to make the crosshair stand out more. And you can control aim sensitivity by adjusting sensitivity, which can help improve aim precision. Even the crosshair itself can be changed. So if you really want full custom crosshair options, you'll need to play Fortnite on PC, where third-party software overlays like NVIDIA Freestyle, Crosshair V2 or monitor-specific crosshair features can give you a personalized red tile. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.